Using a female sweat adapter is a great way to transition from copper to PEX. Here's how. Use a wire brush or abrasive cloth to clean the inside of the fitting and the outside of the copper tube where the connection will be made. Then, brush a thin, even amount of paste flux on both the adapter and the copper tubing. Next, insert the adapter until it's fully seated and heat with a plumber's torch. While heating, occasionally touch the solder to the joint to test the heat. When it melts on contact, pull the flame away and touch the solder to the joint between the fitting and pipe. A half-inch connection uses about a half-inch of solder. Finally, wipe with a dry cloth to remove drips and excess flux. Once cool to the touch, install the PEX to make the transition. There are a variety of PEX connections available on the market. This one utilizes a crimp fitting.